How to download Windows 11 25 H2 ISO from Microsoft. We will cover two simple methods, the direct download method and the media creation tool method. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for download Windows 11 ISO Microsoft. Click the official link. It should take you straight to the Microsoft download page. Now scroll down until you see the section titled this. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, then you need to click on Download. Next, choose your preferred language, for example, English, and click on Confirm. Finally, click the 64-bit download button. Your download should begin right away. The ISO file is around 7 gigabytes. So depending on your internet speed, it might take a little while to finish. And that's it for method 1. You have got the official ISO file downloaded directly from the Microsoft. So now for method 2, head back to the same Microsoft page and this time scroll down to the section that says create Windows 11 installation media. You need to click on download now to get the media creation tool. Once it's downloaded, open the tool and accept the license terms. When it asks, what do you want to do? Choose create installation media for another PC, then select your language and edition. On the next screen, select ISO file, choose a folder to save it in and click on next. The tool will now download the latest official Windows 11 ISO for you automatically. Once it's complete, you will have your ISO file ready to go. And that's it. You know now two easy ways to download the official Windows 11 either directly from Microsoft or using the media creation tool. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.